Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. So guys, with the new software update in S6 Lite, now you can pin your favorite apps on this site. So I will show you how to do it. So for example, if you take it out, you take out your edge panel. Okay, from here you can see over here, and then you will see these three lines over here. So just select them, and once you select, you will see an option over here. It says pin. Okay, so just select it. Okay, once you select it, your apps will appear over here. So for example, you open another app. For example, I open the Samsung Notes. Your apps will be still here because you pin them, and these all your favorite apps. You can also edit them. You can add more apps over here, different apps you can also add, and you can also work at the same time, and your apps will appear over here. Okay, so some people, they are asking that they don't have this function, how to enable this pin app option. So I will show you how to do it. First I will remove this pin option. Okay, and now what you have to do, you have to go into the settings. Okay, once you enter into the settings, you have to scroll down, and then you will see an option of advanced features. So you have to select this advanced features option. So once you select it, on here on the right hand side, you will see an option of labs in the middle. So you can see this labs option. So just select it, and once you select the labs option, you will see the last option over here. It says pin your favorite apps. So if it is disabled, okay, you have to enable it. Okay, so now I'm enabling it, and now I can access the pin option, the pin app. Okay, so for example, I just take out the edge panel, and then I will just select these three lines, and then you will see the pin option is available over here. But if I disable it and try to take out the edge panel and then select these three lines, you see there is no pin option available. So what you have to do is only you have to select this pin your favorite apps option enable, and then you are ready to go. You can just open the edge panel, just select three lines, and then pin your favorite apps. So you can open your favorite apps over here. So now for example, I want to open my app. Okay, my favorite app, I can open simply. I just put it over here, and then I can open in the split screen mode. And then even in the split screen mode, you can see the pin apps are also available over here. Okay, and then if you want to open one more app, for example, I want to open the Samsung internet, I can just drop over here. Okay, and then you can see three different apps are open, and the pin apps are still available, and you can function in the other app as well. Okay, so you can see all the everything is working perfectly fine. And there is one more thing, that now the multitasking is more flexible. The screens are more flexible. So for example, if I want to move till here, you can see I can easily move it, and if I want to make this top, I can move it or make it down. You can see I can easily adjust everything. You can see over here, so I can easily adjust. So now it is more flexible. So this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much.